Hi there, Year 12s. Shout out this time goes to Natasha Mould. Congratulations, Natasha. It's a very big honour getting a shout out. Okay, we're looking at sector area here, and like with arc length, we related it back to a circle. I want to do the same with sector area. So over here, let's just consider a circle for a second. So with the circle, we've got a radius, and the area formula of a circle is pi r squared. So when we're considering a sector area, well, a sector is just like a slice of a circle, like a pizza slice, where we're given an angle and we're given some sort of radius. And so, like with the arc length, we just need to work out the area as a fraction of the whole way around a circle, which is 360 degrees. And so our formula for sector area is simply going to be the angle divided by 360 times pi r squared. And that's it. Couldn't get any easier than that. Alright, let's apply it to this first question, this first example here. We've got two examples. So work out the area of the sector. So we'll write out our formula for area. So that's sector area equals A. Alright, sector area equals A over 360 times pi r squared. So for this one, we're going to have 130 over 360 times pi times 49 squared. Alright, so that will give us, we'll see what it gives us, calculator. So 130 divided by 360, it should be divided by, times pi times 49 squared. So that gives us 2,723.85 2,723.85 meters squared. Okay, pretty straightforward all in all. No different from what you're doing with this sort of stuff in year 9 and 10, except that this time you have that added bit of the sector area. Okay, our second example here, we've been given an area and we've been asked to calculate what the angle is. So if we write out the formula, sector area equals A over 360 times pi r squared, substitute in what we know. So we know that the area is 18 centimeters squared, and we're looking for the angle theta, in this case it's written, over 360, and our radius is 5, so I've got 5 squared. So we've got a few steps of working here. To get rid of this 360, we're going to have to times both sides by 360, so we'll do that first. And so those will cancel on that side. So our next step of working will have, I'll need to work that out, 18 times 360, 6,480. So I've got 6,480 equals theta times pi times 5 squared. So now we want to get theta by itself, so we'll divide both sides by pi times 5 squared. So divide by pi times 5 squared. Pi's cancel out, 5 squareds cancel out, and what we're left with is theta equals 6480 divided by pi times 5 squared. Alright, so at this stage we need to go to a calculator. So we'll go 6480 divided by, and make sure you use brackets so that it knows that all of pi times 5 squared is on the bottom. So pi times 5 squared, close bracket, equals, there's our answer, 82.5 degrees. So theta equals 82.5 degrees. Alright, if you're able to do this problem here, I think you're doing pretty well. That's, reasonably good for your level of maths, but certainly you should be aiming to be able to do that. Same with all the rest, you've got some practice under here, and flick me an email or something if you've got any questions. Otherwise, we'll go